Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I am so thrilled to have you here and to do this video with you. Today we're going to start a new series here on YouTube, and I'm going to call it Cooking with Ralu. And today, are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Before I tell you what we're going to cook today, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, baby. Okay? Did you do that? Don't fool me. I know that you didn't click on that subscription button. Just go and click it right away, and don't forget the bell. You will get the notification when I am posting new videos. Okay, I'm going to tell you what we're going to cook today because honestly, I am hungry. Yes, surprise, surprise. I am hungry again. Today we're going to cook pizza. Something super simple but delicious. ¿Cómo se dice? Deliciosa. Okay, are you ready? Let's cook. Shall we? You like my makeup? I think it is so pretty. I'm not going anywhere. I have just put some makeup on. Well, not some. It's actually a full face, a full glam. And I did my curls. But we're staying in tonight. It's Friday night and we want to eat pizza, drink a beer, relax, watch a movie. We're going to make the pizza together, and I hope you are going to be inspired and try it for yourself. So I'm going to show you all the steps that I'm going to make and all of the ingredients and the quantities. And did I mention that I'm super hungry? And honestly, I can't talk. Like, that's how hungry I am. So you understand my feeling of just rushing into it and just making it from scratch with these bare hands. I'm going to be so proud, and I'm going to be so proud of you if we're going to try it. Let's cook. Shall we? So here I have yeast, and I'm going to put it in a bowl. I'm going to add some sugar, 2 or 3 spoons. And now we're going to mix these two together until it forms sort of a paste or something. Okay. Fuck. You didn't see that. I didn't do it. No, I did not do anything.
Two hours later.
My arms are killing me, but my muscles are on fire. We're going to save this for later, for tomorrow or next week. Or now we're going to make the sauce. We put the salt, pepper, Here I have oil, it's not beer, okay? Fresh basil, oh my god. It smells delicious. And we're going to blend everything. Let's taste it. I think it's good. It definitely is so yummy. I'm sorry, but I need a beer. Tell me in the comments who else loves to drink beer or wine while cooking dinner. Please tell me I'm not the only one. I think I put too much. Look how big it got. How do you call this in English? This is focalits. How do you call this? It's a roller. I think it's made from wood, but you should call it focalits. Okay? From now on, it's focalits. Focalits. It needs more salt. This is a leftover from the basilic sauce, and it's going to be the dip. So this is how I do pizza. I hope that you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, baby, and leave me your requests in the comments down below. Tell me what videos you'd like me to see, what recipes you'd like me to try. And I really hope that you're going to try and make pizza at home. It's so good. I know it's a little bit of work with the dough, but trust me, it is so worth it, and it doesn't compare to the pizza you order at home. Of course, that one is good too, but this is so much better because it's made by you with your bare hands. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.